G'day guys, Declan from Elros Caravans. Hope everyone's doing really well. Well, we're going to bring you another ECXR video today. This one is a 20-foot caravan. So we'll start on the exterior, we'll do a bit of a walk around, and then we'll run on into the vehicle and showcase the interior. This one sports a few different features that we want to bring to you today. Now for starters, we'll come right round to it. It's an outdoor laundry, so we fitted the outdoor laundry to this vehicle. So it's fitted with a 2.5 kilo Kamek washing machine, runs fully off the inverter on this build. So the ensuite on the inside is very different, so once we get into the side, we'll show you that straight away. It's also fitted with our customary Cruise Master ATX airbag suspension there as well, and also all of our bash guards and all that sort of stuff underneath as well. These customers also fitted our gibber guard. I'll just get up there so you can see some of the protection coatings that we've done as well. Two 160 litre water tanks. Also then you've got your Elros water filler system there as well, so mains pressure and also front and rear tanks. You also then got your valves there as well, so you can run them individually or together if you like. We've also got the off-grid package plus in this unit as well, which is standard on all ECXRs as well. So 630 amps of battery, Alpha 100, Red Arc RS3 auto changeover inverter. These clients also did something different here as well and fitted 3-drawer system. Now we don't normally do this, but it was a client request, so we actually fitted this in. It does add a bit of weight. It's probably about 20 kilos worth of drawers and aluminium fittings there as well, so just be aware of that. If you do ask for something, be prepared that it's going to be a little bit heavier in weight. In terms of weight as well, this van was fully fitted out with our RE light cabinetry as well. So being a 20-foot 6 van, along with the ATX suspension, our Elros heavy duty 4.45 tonne rated chassis, along with the deluxe toolbox on this one and all the other interior features. The tear weight of this one was 2920. So we're actually really happy with that because it's also got a full slide out kitchen with the Sizzler Max in it as well, so that's about 55 kilos. Dual spares on it as well, so that all goes in adding into the tear weight on this one. So we're definitely getting a dramatic gain out of the RE light cabinetry, because this would have definitely gone over 3 tonne otherwise if it didn't have our RE light cabinetry in this particular build. Customers have also gone for a Gen 2 wood box on there as well, the full bug light package on there as well, so you can see all of that sort of thing. We've also fitted the Sizzler Max at their request, and we also did this, it's a Fusion outdoor entertainment system, so it works quite well. I'll just turn it down so you can hear me. They've also fitted a 1000 by 450 lifestyle picnic table. We also then did an outdoor entertainment area, so to speak. So instead of our traditional airbag box, we've actually done a bit of a bigger one, added a few shelves, and then you've got all those features there as well. Cruise Master BCS with Bosch ABS and TSC fitted to this one as well, and then we've got the second Red Vision screen there as well, just on the outside, so it's a little bit easier to set that up when you're just camping, so you don't have to go inside and check what's on, or you don't even have to go on your app if you don't want to as well. The other thing here as well, now there's going to be a lot of people that are probably going to kill me for this. This customer twisted the design team's arm, and the final say was mine as well, and unfortunately we have done the dirty to a lot of people, and we've actually gone and fitted a reverse opening door on an Elros caravan. I can't believe that I'm showing you this, but yes, we have been twisted and convinced by the customer to do that on this one, but don't come to us begging to do the same thing, because we're probably going to say no. Anyway, moving on, Elros entry step as always, and then on the inside of this ECXR is where it's really exciting and really different. So huge galley kitchen. I think it's about 2.3 meters long, so it's one of our larger ones that we've done. No induction cooking on here, so customers just wanted to have a portable induction cooktop, and that's what we're doing on all of our builds. Like I said in a previous video, we're going to start doing that on a lot of the builds moving forward. It's just portable induction cooking. We've got the Kamek block-out windows there, and then we've also got the NCE flatbed microwave. Just went for a 24-inch TV on this one. And then as we swing over to the living space, quite a small seating area, but enough for 2 people to sit there. And then the real hero is the coffee machine that we fitted here as well, which is quite cool. So something a little bit different. And yeah, that's just fitted into a pantry system. We've also got the Autoderm diesel heater as well here as well, and that does the hydronic hot water system as well. And then we've fitted the Urban Republic backboard there as well, which looks really nice. And then you've got 2 nooks in there, both with power points, USB, and also a 12-volt SIG socket at the request of the client. Bushman DC 225 fridge. There's plenty of fridge space and fridge storage in these, especially with the freezer space as well. And then where it's very, very different to a lot of builds is on this 20'6", you get an absolute massive ensuite bathroom that these clients actually spec'd in and requested us to do. So wanted a heap of space in here, also wanted the laundry outside, so we fitted that off with a big box section, and then we've enabled a little bit more storage space in the bathroom for these customers as well. So yeah, it's quite a huge space, plenty of room to store everything, get out of the shower and have a nice dry off, which is a problem in some other vans. And then also the Klasana C1 is also fitted to this unit as well. Other features: SimMarine monitoring, obviously the Red Vision we've already covered in there, and then we also fitted a max fan in this one up the front. So usually it's just the roof hatch, but we've actually fitted a max fan to this one with a little block out blind as well. So still worried about light coming in, we can get the max fan block out blind on that one as well. Mr. Mattress Ruby Deluxe mattress as well, and this one is a plush finish, but you've got the choice of different firmnesses as well. So that's the beauty of building with us as a manufacturer, is you get to pick and choose, going for the brass or brushed gold, whatever you want to call it, tapware, and also the locks as well. And this is our Scandinavian scheme that we do, and it looks quite sensational in this particular build. Alright, well that's about all I've got for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and we will see you on the next video. Thanks guys, bye.